Mother of 4-year-old girl killed in Mandeville shooting charge. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The mother of a 4-year-old girl who was shot dead a week ago at their Ingleside Mandeville home has been charged. The 38-year-old woman has been charged with child negligence and breach of duty to secure a store of firearm and ammunition. She was charged on Monday night after being questioned by a detective in relation to the shooting incident last Tuesday. The woman was offered station bail and is set to appear in court when a date is finalized. Police said that Gia Janelle died from a gunshot wound to the back of her head sustained during a shooting incident in Ingleside Boulevard on Tuesday night. According to a police report, the mother told detectives that she put the children to bed and went to use the bathroom when she heard a loud explosion. The mother's licensed firearm was reportedly left in her handbag. It is theorized that the child woke up while the mother was in the bathroom and took out the firearm from her mother's handbag, which led to the fatal blow. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.